Welcome YouTubers. We got a GPI pump here that stopped working, so we're going to take her apart. What I'm checking for is to make sure my springs are in properly in the brushes. We're about to find out. I get the pump, so I can look at the brushes. This is what I meant to hit, and then I realized I can't go back together. Because the brushes won't hold back.
Oh, yeah. Well, they might. They kind of were.
Okay, so I put the new brushes in, and I failed to check my spring in the groove on them. So we just took this all back apart, which is a bonus for you. You're going to get to see the video now filmed the proper way. So now we have to unfortunately take everything apart.
You're sure they won't hold back? Because some of them are. This is the only one that's really not.
Well, but if they hold back, then how do I get them engaged?
Want it engaged when it runs?
No. Now, see, if this is in right, it's pushing on it.
Okay.
So we're going to tear this thing back apart. That's unfortunate. Make sure you do what I told you to do. And don't do what I did. Do what I say. How's that? I'm like a good... I won't mention which side of the aisle that would be on, because like I said before, I'm not allowed to be political. Don't do as I do, do as I say.
Yeah, that sounds like both.
Don't you be busting on my party, boy.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Go ahead and hit it with the hammer. Down there. Hold it. So it cracks it, you can see which side's going more, that makes it. What's up, Bill?
It's lubed.
Yeah, but it was lubed.
Well, you might remember though, it came apart easy and then didn't want to go back.
I know. That's crazy. Makes no sense.
How do you get the snap? Do you need a snap ring remover?
I do from Jose, but I'm gonna try.
Try to do it the wrong way.
Of course. Anybody can do it the right way. My daddy always said what the right brothers could do, the wrong brothers could do also. See what I'm saying?
Close.
No special tools required. Of course, that's digging into my shaft, so I'm going to polish that shaft going back together, because there is a seal that has to go down over that. If you hold that all the way down to flush, I should be able to do what I need to do on my end. You're going to need to use your thumb, I'm afraid. I don't know how you're going to hold that in the air suspended and do that. If you use your thumb and push that down. Okay, come on in. Okay, now just hold still. Yep, right like that. One more. Straighten up.
I can't see which ways.
Here, you pull the, you put the brushes in.
You sure?
I'm positive. Do I look in?
Move it.
My copper's down in the
Yeah.
brushes?
You want to? You can look in. Now it won't move. Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Yeah, gotta pull things together with bolts. We'll put them in so they can't fall apart. But you can't let any amount of pressure keep it all fall apart.
You never see something.
Twist this. Yeah, just put it all here. Here, just press it all, twist it. Now, as long as we didn't pop them springs out of joint, that's why we did it the right way the first time. Because what you did with all that carrying on, we could have popped them out of joint after all.
What I did.
Yeah. You mean, yeah, when you were reaching in there and pulling them back? For all we know, we could have popped them right back out of joint. Whereas the first time we did it, we had everything sitting together already assembled. Very little chance of mistake. Always better to get it right the first time and be done. What do you got, Bill?
I think you meant the.
Jokers, well, 90% of them are out of business. The other 10% still suck. Right, Bill?
Yeah.
Same page?
So I'm gonna draw on these and go see Sam.
That's what I would do.
Okay.
That is precision made there, boys. Bam! That's your keyway. I happen to remember these go feet that way. And again, they are worn on one side. So if I flip it over, I start with brand new. See how that's worn? I could flip that over and start this way.
We're gonna get a lot of comments on that.
You don't think they're going to like it?
No. That's
Well-
gotta be something wrong with that.
Right. I'll tell you, I've been doing this a lot longer than the viewers have. And if they don't like it, they don't have to like it. But it's going to work out beautiful. I'm going to actually call GPI and try to order these. Because one nice thing is, these are right inside that cover. So, I mean, with one big chapow, you're all up in there. Look, my shunt, put an arrow there. Boom. Done. Nice. 2 bolts. Never seized. Now, why these goons put 9/16 heads on this end and 1/2 inch on the long bolts, I don't know. But, hence these goons. Boom. Every square inch of both sides, that tells me my forma gasket was touching everywhere. And that makes perfect sense because this is a machine surface. I was trying to hit on one of the machine surfaces with my hammer because I dumb. But I don't think I did any damage. When I did it, I felt the surface and it felt muy bien. It even felt more Branos. Again, I don't want to go crazy with this stuff. I ain't trying to glue my switch. So, chapow, And look at that. They didn't even seal the bolts. Are you kidding me? Now, when you first put this together, if you turn it on and it don't run or it's stuttering, tap it with a hammer. Because if your brushes would happen to not be seated perfectly, when you tap it with the hammer, you'll get her done. If you're not feeling me, I can't coach it, bro. All I can do is take talent and try to make it better. But I can't. I don't add the ingredients. If any of you guys out there watching this are struggling in life, wondering what's going on in the world, having a tough time with things, don't give up. Just keep swinging, and most importantly, turn your focus to the Lord. Stick your head in the Bible and find out what's really going on. Find out what's God actually said and what he meant for us. Don't take anybody's interpretation for it. Don't follow religion. Find an independent fundamentalist church that preaches the Bible and go to it. Find out what it's like to hang out with good Christian people, good Christian mentors. It's never too late. If you're struggling, and we're all struggling, there's nothing fun around here anymore, but the Lord is good. He'll provide. He'll strengthen you. And most importantly, if you don't know him as your Savior, find him today. If Jesus Christ is not your Savior, I got bad news for you, and it don't come from me. It comes right out of the Bible. If Jesus Christ is not your Savior, you're going to hell. Not trying to scare you, looking out for you. Hey, we're going to go bench test this, so bear with me a minute. We'll hook her up and see what we got. Hey, race fans, so we got our booster pack hooked up. That's money, baby. That sounds good. If I get a chance, when my brother's using this pump, I'll have him add to the video of it actually flowing fluid, but you heard it. That thing's got a pump like a banshee. Hey, thanks for watching. We do appreciate you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. We would love for you to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a blessed day.